Good Friday morning to Eastern PA. Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for April 18th, 2014, and we have a cold front that's going to be moving toward the area today. Today's going to start off on the cloudy sky for eastern areas, and that's because we have an easterly flow, an onshore flow, marine flow, whatever you want to call it. High pressure setting east of Maine here, and then you have an offshore low pressure system sitting down here. Between the two, winds are coming in like this, so you have an onshore flow, and eventually, as this high continues to move east, and this cold front that's sitting out here starts to move to the southeast, it's going to change the wind direction. And until that wind direction changes, you're going to have that onshore flow and some clouds around this morning. Eventually, it'll change to the south and ahead of this cold front, which will kind of put us in between systems today. And so right now what we're looking at is a lot of clouds over eastern PA and Delaware and New Jersey. So this area here is where we're getting that marine influence off the ocean here in those clouds. But I do think that as the wind shift to the south, you're still going to hang on to those clouds here in New Jersey. So we're keeping that area here in lower temperatures today, actually from Philadelphia and all of New Jersey and most of Delaware will actually be lower than the interior. So these areas out here that do experience a clearing ahead of this front will get up into the mid to upper 50s today. Still below normal for this time of year, but it's going to be a little bit warmer than it was yesterday. We'll go a little bit further here. This cold front's actually going to fall apart, and that's because there's a system to its south that's robbing it. The convergence. This system to the south here is actually taking away its energy, in other words. So it's going to fall apart, just provide some very light showers over New York State that's outside of our coverage area. And then another system is going to stay well offshore into our south here, and you can see that moving by here this weekend. So this weekend is going to be a fabulous weekend. Once this cold front moves through, temperatures are going to rebound to near normal temperatures this weekend, and not expecting any precipitation whatsoever. So very nice weekend coming up. Maybe not as stellar as last weekend if you like the really warm temperatures. It won't be that warm, but normal for this time of year is in the low to mid 60s. So we're not talking about a bad weekend at all under sunny skies. Here is the next system, and this is going to be coming in late on Tuesday. We have Tuesday afternoon and evening showers that we're expecting. Could be some thunderstorms for this line here, as it's a area low pressure up here in northern New York State, associated cold front once again with it, and out ahead of it we're going to have some showers and some thunderstorms, and we're expecting this Tuesday evening to come through. This is the Tuesday evening timestamp. Wednesday 0Z is Tuesday evening, so we'll look for that over the next couple days. It might, I'm not looking at a severe threat at this point, but at the same time we could have some thunderstorms, line of thunderstorms come through, and that would be Tuesday evening, and depending on timing, will determine whether or not they'll be a little bit stronger than or just the regular garden variety thunderstorms. That system moves through, and then winds shift out to the north as high pressure moves in for Wednesday, and then we'll have another system that we're going to be dealing with as we get toward the end of the period. I'm Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for April 18th, 2014. Have a great Friday.